And here's my horse, Sandy, right here. Sandy, she's a Palomino horse. She's huge. She's beautiful. Yep, this is our backyard. It's huge. Time to feed the horse, guys. I'm feeding it carrots. Here you go. Here's another one. Here's another one, Sandy. Her name's Sandy. There you go. Beautiful horse, huh? Beautiful horse. Okay, and these are our dogs. This is Mookie. He's a Labradoodle. Mook. And then Dodger. Here's food. And then that's Dodger. He's a red heeler. Yep, just fed the animals.
Okay.
And there's that for you.
Oh, sweetheart. Thank you, baby.
Oh, here's your card. Thank you.
You guys have a great night.
Yep. Thank you, dude.
Bye, sweetheart.
3 sophomores and 1 freshman trying to find the sheep tunnel.
It's the other way around. Other way. Redo it. It's 3 freshmen, not 3 sophomores.
3 freshmen, 1 sophomore trying to find their way around.
Getting high?
Oh, I love white socks.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the best.
It's the ghost light.
What is that even from?
Cars. It's from Cars.
My wheels scrape the fender every time that I
Off-roading.
turn.